how to enable dark mode on Duolingo. So if you want to enable dark mode on Duolingo, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to search for Duolingo and open it. Now after launching your application, make sure that you have already logged into your account. Now you need to go with your profile, which will be in the bottom. From the profile, you need to go with settings, which will be in the top right. Now under settings, let me tell you that Duolingo before had dark mode features, but after the update, they have removed it. But don't worry, there's a workaround to enable dark mode on your Duolingo. What you need to do is you just need simply scroll down from the top and you will have the control center. From your control center, you need to just swipe and then you need to go with the dark mode option, which will be in the top. Once you turn on your dark mode on your device, you can go back, and as you can see on your Duolingo, your dark mode has been enabled. So that's how you can enable dark mode on Duolingo, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.